Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you how to use ActiveCampaign. How to get started with ActiveCampaign. At ActiveCampaign, we are committed to helping you grow your business by providing you with the necessary tools and resources to create exceptional customer experiences. This is where you will find our training sessions and community. Follow these steps to get started with ActiveCampaign. Step 1. Download your Getting Started checklist. Step 2. Get a complete tour of the ActiveCampaign platform. Step 3. Register for accelerated onboarding walkthroughs. Step 4. Join the ActiveCampaign community. Step 5. Register for blueprints. ActiveCampaign pricing options. Have real-time conversations with your customers. Get started with 14 days free with all plan tiers. An automation-first approach to sales engagement. Sales engagement automation uses rich customer data from every sales and marketing touchpoint to know the right time and channel to automate unique and timely messages. It also determines when providing human touch will be most effective to close sales. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ActiveCampaign and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.